Remember, when we're trading the foreign exchange market, we are trading using the margin. So you can see here, I've already had my trade. So the first trade that I put, it went to profit. So I managed to lock it, and then today I managed to add 2 more, okay, because of how I was managing the risk, even though I was in a higher risk when I first put that first trade because of the margin. You see, so the margin right now is 2.8. So the balance actually, I can say, it's not from 1K, it's from 2.8 to make this amount of money. Okay, so I've been getting out so that I can at least save my profit, and then maybe tomorrow we'll look at we'll place another trade. Okay, so this is a broker which is offering a ZAR account. If you are looking for a broker which is offering a ZAR account, this is a broker for you to use. So for now, I need to get out because I managed to lock my profit, and I believe it is time to get out. Okay, and then tomorrow we'll be looking for another entry so that we can be able to at least make some cash. And this is the broker that I'm using. So I didn't deposit much, and it's FX View. We are already locked up in profit. It is the next day as promised, and I'm already in another trade. And I thought we were gonna be stopped out because of how the market was moving. But anyway, because of we need to protect the profit always, we don't have to be worried about that because the market is always gonna be here. So we try to protect our profit, and protecting our account, the most important part. Okay, so I'm gonna be getting out, and I don't know if it's gonna keep moving out, but so far I believe maybe it will. But this is a good profit for the day. I was expecting maybe at least if we can wait, but no time for waiting. Let's get out. And this is a broker that I'm using. If you want to be using this broker, I recommend that you use the link in the description below so that you can be able to register with this broker. And I actually had another lesson of how to register an account with this broker. Try it out, register an account, okay, so that you can be able to have this account with this broker, which is FX View. So I'm signing out, guys.